welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can attach files and documents to your email in Gmail. So to do that, I'm just going to press compose and you can write to whoever you want to send the attachment to. Add the subject here, for instance, like document or something. And then under here, I'm just going to go to my documents and get like a Word document, for instance this one, and just drag it. Or you can click attach files and find the document that you want to send and just press send. Don't forget you need to click in the recipient of the email. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!